Welcome to lesson 1.1, part 2. We're going to start with example 3 where we left off on Monday. So let's get to it. The first question is, for what intervals is f of x equal to x squared minus 9 positive? For what intervals is the function negative? Positive and negative in this case are referring to the y value. So and the intervals are referring to the x values. So what I mean by that, well, let's take a look at the solution here. If we're looking at the graph, the positive values are when this curve is above the x-axis. It's negative when it's below. And then the intervals would be referring to the x values where that's true. So if I click positive here, it turns blue where it's positive, so the parts that are above. So the intervals would be negative infinity to negative 3. So all the way to the left, and then it stops here at negative 3, and then also 3 to infinity going right. I click off of that and show negative, it's the red part underneath. All right, so it's everywhere between negative 3 and 3. Notice how for both of these, we're using parentheses and not the bracket, because we're not including negative 3 and 3, because very specifically at negative 3 and 3 for the x values, the y value is 0, and it's neither positive or negative. Okay, so you try it. I would suggest pausing it and then clicking play again when you want to check your answer. And you can also check your answer in the text here. All right, so I would pause now. Okay, so what I would do is graph. I think that's the easiest thing to do. So I'm going to use my calculator, clear out what's there, and enter a new equation. In this case, for 3a, it's h of x, same thing as saying y equals 2x plus 10. So 2x plus 10. And then we're going to graph that. So what I can see is above the x-axis is from, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and to the right, it's below 5 and to the left. So if I were to write those intervals, they would be 5 comma infinity for the positive part, and then negative infinity comma 5 for the negative part. We're going to check answers. I can see that that's true. Let's move to the next.